A magnitude 4 earthquake struck the Midwest on Tuesday at 4 a.m. The epicenter was located near the new Madrid fault line, which formed 750 million years ago during the breakup of the supercontinent Rodinia. Igneous rocks formed from magma were pushed toward the surface, producing faults along the rift. The Earth's crust in the east and Midwest is harder and larger. This allows seismic waves to travel further than in the western part of the US. The fault line mostly affects Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Arkansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, and Mississippi.